In this section, I am going to explain how to return data in JSON format in Golang. So let's open Visual Studio Code and create a file and save it to in a drive, that is drive VF. Go project HRMS is a folder and give it to the name, that is main.go. You can give any name with the Go extension. Let's save it and let's declare package, that is main package, and let's create a func, that is main func, which is responsible for the entry point of this project or program. So they give the curly braces, and here we need to declare two things. First is the router, that is HTTP. So click on the HTTP and it's automatically imported the net backslash HTTP. If your system is not imported automatically, make sure that you have installed all plugin. So this HTTP handle func. Handle func is accepting two parameter. One is the pattern, that is endpoint, that is employee. Here we can give employee, and that is get employee. Okay, the another thing here we can write code for the port listening. So HTTP dot listen and serve. So listen and serve, that is address is string format, local host 8080 or 882 we can give, and nil. So this is function which is referring here. We need to create this function. So let's create func get employee, and from the accessing of endpoint from the client we can give two parameter. One is a w, that is HTTP dot response writer, and other is yes, that is request, that is pointer of HTTP dot request. So this response writer is responsible to the send the data to the client, and this is responsible to the request data from the client. So let's okay. So let's create employee struct. So type employee, that is struct, give the attribute like employee ID, that is string, mp name, that is also string, and that is int we can give, and address. For field we are declared here. So let's define the data in hard coded. So emp, that is start and initialization, that is array of employee curly braces and other curly braces for the data, that is employee ID in string format, 1 emp name we can give Anil, age 22, and address Maharashtra. Copy and paste, make another record to Kamal 24 Maharashtra. Okay, so this is data we are initialized, and for this data we need to convert in the JSON format. So let's say JSON and hit enter. It automatically imported encoding \JSON dot new encoder So new encoder is responsible to the convert the data in the JSON format, and that is W and encode. That is the MP data. That's all. Let's run the program. So we need to go first in the same directory where the program is there. So program is the F drive go project HRMS. So F drive go project and HRMS. And let's run the program. For that, go run main.go. Yeah, it's running. Okay, so let's open Postman and give local host, that is 8082, that is employee, that is get request. And here the data what we assigned is here, but this is in text format, not in JSON format. So JSON format, this one. So let's achieve that one. So we need to add in the response writer header, add content type. So content type is equals to, in this application JSON. Now let's exit the program and rerun again and go to the Postman and run again. Here the data. Let's add the some another record. 3 Sarita 25 UP. Okay, let's save and exit the program and rerun. Go to the Postman and run again. Here we are getting the data the same